Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Over to Teng'a here with the first of probably many DIY videos that I'll be posting here on my channel. Bottom line is, this topic of this DIY is small scissor sharpening. I discovered a sharpening hack, after spending long hours trying to use conventional sharpeners and such to sharpen the small scissors on a Leatherman Micro multi-tool. In the process, I started to sharpen it. I started looking through any life hacks I could find on the internet, including, of course, YouTube videos. I then realized that there's a combination of two hacks that I discovered works the best. And for that, all you need are three items, or three items, whichever hand signal works the best for you. Obviously, small scissors you're wanting to sharpen. Sorry for the potential lens flare that this is death might produce. Aluminum foil. Wrinkled, straight, doesn't matter. I find wrinkled has a little bit more effect on the scissors. Any sandpaper, medium to high grit. Now here's the secret to it. First thing you do, take your small scissors, find a corner, an area of this foil. You clip it going one way on top, one side of the scissors up. Then you take it, you flip your scissors around. Then you continue to sharpen, flipping the other side around. If it starts to fold up on itself, just straighten it up and resume cutting. After that, take the sandpaper and repeat foil cutting process. This one you're going to have to rotate it to get a better angle on paper. Keep doing it until you are getting an even, crisp cut from both sides of the scissors. The reason why I'm curving with these is because they have a curved blade, which requires me to work within the curve. Once you're done and you have flipped it over a few times, they should be sharp. Though I hesitate to actually do the paper test. I know that many people on YouTube and in other traditional medias prefer the paper test as the absolute proof that you sharpened it. Whoops, I had to pick up the little bit that fell. What I have discovered in doing this sharpening method is that using the foil and sandpaper together acts as essentially a poor man's ceramic carbide sharpening system. Please try this at home. This is a safe to do at home experiment as long as you mind where your fingers and the scissor blades are currently in relations to one another. Please like and subscribe and comment down below as to the success of your attempts on this hack. And I am out.